Hello class 5, welcome to your online science class. Today we will start with the second chapter of pre-annual syllabus, that is weight, volume and density. Now before going to the book, we will discuss just in a light way that what is weight, what is volume and what is density. Now if we talk about weight, what do we understand? Suppose you are with your mother in a market and your mother is carrying a heavy bag. So what you have decided? You have taken 1 kilo of potato and in one hand and another piece of cotton, a roll of cotton in another hand. So what you will feel? The hand which is carrying the potato is heavier and the cotton is light, and that is the weight. The lighter the weight, you have to give less effort to carry it. More the weight, you have to, suppose your mother is having a very light bag, so she will not give you any bag to hold, isn't it? She will tell, okay, I can carry it. But if she feels difficult, she will, and you should always ask help from your parents, isn't it, that if they need help. So during carrying, suppose in two hands, as I have told, you are carrying in one hand you are carrying a roll of cotton, in another hand you are carrying a kg of potato or rice maybe. So in which hand you will feel heavy or weight? In the hand in which you are holding potatoes, isn't it? So more the weight you will feel, more heavy the material, you will feel more weight. Now volume is also quite related with weight, isn't it? Generally we can say more the volume, more the weight. Volume means what? How much space it is covering, isn't it? So if some material will occupy more space, what will happen? The volume will increase, and obviously weight is also increasing. Now there's another way of explanation. The reverse can also happen, or the opposite can also happen. Now how is that happening? That I will explain when I will go through the book. Next is density. Density means what? We all know, we have read molecules, we have read different factors, that is liquid, solid and gas. So we know that the matters, in case of solid, the molecules are tightly packed. In case of liquid, a little bit looser, and in case of gas, the molecules are scattered from one molecule to the other one. So what is happening? Density is explaining us that how tightly the molecules are packed and how it is not. So that we will slowly read. So you please go to your page number 92. Weight, volume and density. You can measure the amount of any materials in two ways. So when you are measuring something, you can measure it with two ways. One is volume, another one is weight. When you buy a milk or a petrol, you measure it with volume in liters. So as I have told you, that when you are going to buy something liquid, you are telling it as a liter, isn't it? But thus you buy this by measuring how much space or volume they occupy. Suppose this is a 1 liter bottle. So if it is 1 liter, then what is happening? This volume, what is inside the bottle is 1 liter volume. So the amount, the weight, we are measuring as liter because it is liquid. When it is becoming solid, we are telling is kg or AGN, isn't it? Yes, but when you buy rice or potato, it's a solid thing. You measure their weight with kilograms. So we are measuring it with 1 kilogram or 2 kilogram of rice, isn't it? But the volume is same, 1 liter volume, and 1 kilogram is same. So one is for liquid, another one is for solid. So the units are different over here. You measure their weight in kilograms. Thus you buy this by measuring how heavy are they that is by their weight. So we are weighting that 1 liter and 1 kilogram of rice or potato, but kg wise or weight wise they both are, or liter wise they are same, but the unit what we are using for liquid and solid is different. One is liter, another one is kg. Now next we will read about what is the relation, as I was telling you, that what is the relation between volume and weight. What is the relation between the volume and the weight of a substance? Substance means the matter. When the volume of a substance increase, its weight also increase. Now suppose this is a 1 liter bottle. If I say that no, I need 2 liter of water. So what will happen? If I don't want 1 liter, I will need 2 liter of water. So what we can see? The size of the bottle is also increasing, means the volume is also increasing and the amount is also increasing inside, because 1 liter of water was like half of the bottle, but 2 liter if I see, it is full, isn't it? So the amount is also increasing over here, and when the amount is increasing over here, the weight will automatically increase, isn't it? When suppose your mother is telling that buy 1 kilo of rice, so you are bringing 1 kilo rice, so it is very easy to carry for you. But when it is becoming 5 kg of rice, it is increasing in its amount, it is increasing, it is more than 1 kg, this is 1 kg and this is 5 kg. So here the space it is taking is also more, isn't it? So here in this case, more the place or the space or the volume it is taking, more the weight is becoming. So as the volume is increasing, the weight of the particular object is also increasing. Now there is a contrast. Suppose what we have to see. Now next is, but suppose, go to the next page, but suppose you buy the same weight of cotton wool and rice, which will have greater volume. Now see, suppose, this is very interesting, please listen carefully what I am telling. Now see, suppose 1 kg of cotton and 1 kg of potato. Now suppose this is a potato, please 1 minute. This is a potato. Here you can see from the market you are buying 1 kg of potato. Okay. Now if in of similar weight you want to buy cotton, what will happen? Please first you read. But suppose you buy the same weight of cotton wool and rice, which will have greater volume? The cotton wool. Yes, because it is soft, is very light in nature, and if the same weight you have to make in a palla, if you take a palla, what you will see, in one place if you are keeping potato, if you have to make the same weight, then the volume of cotton will increase because it is light in nature and it will take more place and the cotton will be more. So here what we are seeing, though the same potato and cotton, the weight is same, but as cotton is a lighter one, it's light in nature, it is taking more place to make it 1 kg. Am I clear? Because potato is small but it is heavy in nature, and the space cotton wool, it is soft and light in nature, isn't it? And it is also a space consuming. So when we are making these two weight equal, then the cotton will be more in its volume. So here what opposite we are, please listen carefully. What opposite we are seeing? Once we have seen more the weight is more the volume. And here the opposite we are seeing, that okay, though it is of same weight, but here as it is a lighter one, the volume or the place what it is occupied is more. So different materials have different volumes for the same weight. As I have told that as it is same, it is 1 kg, it is also 1 kg and potato is also 1 kg. But as the shape of the wool or the cotton is light and it takes a lot of space, so the volume, if we want to make these two equal, the volume of cotton will be more. If we take equal volumes of rice and cotton wool, which one will be heavier? Obviously the rice. Now again, if we carry, the carrying effort what you have to give more is in case of potato. Though the volume is more, but it is light in nature, it will take more effort to carry than it. The same example given for rice and cotton. Suppose in place of potato, here it is rice and here it is 1 kg cotton. The volume will be more, but the weight will be less. As we have here, we have seen that more the weight, more the volume. In first case we have seen, but here or not always that we have proved that more if it is light in nature, then the place or the volume it will occupy is more than the solid one or the heavier one. But the effort what you have to give more in case of potato, or if we take it is rice. So if we take equal volume of rice and cotton wool, which one will be heavier? Obviously rice. So equal volumes of different materials have different weight. So equal volume, though the volume is more here, but the weight is same in case of two, because here cotton is also 1 kg and potato is also 1 kg, but still as the matter is different from one to the other, it is becoming light to carry and it is becoming heavy, but still the weight is same. So today we will stop here. In the next class we will proceed with the next part, that is density, and read once. If you have any doubt, let me know. Thank you.